Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best drains and strainers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Drains and Strainers. A kitchen sink is a place that plays a major role in maintaining the hygiene of the food preparation at your home or your restaurant, and hence should always be kept clean and neat so that it does not become breeding grounds for microbes. One of the key components of the sink is a kitchen sink strainer that ensures that filters out solid debris from the sink water. Number 5. Kitchen Sink Shroom Revolutionary Clog-Free Stainless Steel Sink Strainer. The Kitchen Sink Shroom will neatly catch food particles without stopping the flow of water. Main features: stainless steel construction, the intuitive hollow center cylinder, the patent-pending Kitchen Sink Shroom. Number 4. Solid Kitchen Sink Strainer Basket Catcher 4.5-inch diameter. Protect your pipes from damage or clogged sinks by catching any large food particles or eating utensils that get stuck in the drain. Main features: save time doing dishes, avoid calling the plumber, high quality material. Number 3. OXO Good Grip Silicone Sink Strainer. This product adds a great value. Product is highly durable and very easy to use. This product is manufactured in China. Main features: easy to clean, silicone can invert to empty. Silicone underside will not scratch sink. Effectively traps debris. Number 2. Everflow 75111 Kitchen Sink Basket Strainer Replacement. This strainer is made of stainless steel and has a chrome-plated peg and a rubber stopper. To close the drain, the basket has a rubber stopper, and it is being operated. Main features: highly durable, stain-resistant, fits standard drains. Number 1. Fengbao 2PC's Kitchen Sink Strainer. Stainless steel construction for reliable, rust-free service. Suited to daily utilitarian use for long-lasting protection against clogging. Main features: stainless steel construction for reliable, micro-perforation, easy wash with warm soapy water. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.